Are you looking to upgrade your Jeep Wrangler with tube doors that enhance visibility, improve ventilation, and give your vehicle a rugged off-road look? Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising in open-air style, tube doors provide a unique driving experience. In this video, we'll review some of the best tube doors available for the Jeep Wrangler JL. We'll analyze their durability, design, and ease of installation to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to check the video description for product links, including options for other Jeep Wrangler models. The first product on our list is the JROAD Tube Half Doors. Designed for 2018-2024 Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited 4-door models, these doors feature a stylish US flag pattern and are specifically intended for off-road use. They provide excellent open-air ventilation, allowing fresh air and better visibility. The durable construction includes 1/8-inch steel sheets and 1.25-inch diameter steel tubing coated in textured black powder for corrosion resistance. The package also includes off-road front door side storage bags for added convenience. Installation is a breeze with factory-style door hinge pins that allow quick attachment. Just ensure your vehicle has hinge bracket holes before purchasing. Next, we have the ARIES tube doors, which bring a combination of durability and lightweight construction. Made from hardened T6 aluminum alloy, these doors are resilient against outdoor elements while keeping your Jeep agile on trails. They are finished with a black powder coat to resist corrosion and scratches. The open-air design enhances your off-road experience, and they are easy to install, utilizing existing hinge points and door catches. These doors can also accommodate non-powered factory mirrors, adding a layer of convenience. Moving on to the JROAD tube doors, these are designed for Jeep Wrangler JL models from 2018 to 2023. They offer excellent ventilation while maintaining safety, ensuring an immersive off-roading experience. The durable construction features 1/8-inch steel sheets and 1.25-inch diameter tubing, finished with textured black powder coating for longevity. These doors are designed with an off-road aesthetic, adding a rugged appearance to your Jeep. Installation is straightforward with adjustable hinge pins and latch plates. However, they do not come with side mirrors, so you'll need to purchase them separately. Our second position is the Tyger Auto tube doors, which are compatible with Jeep Wrangler JL models from 2018 to 2025. Crafted from carbon steel with a heavy textured powder finish, these doors provide maximum durability and adventure-ready styling. The precision hinge and latch mechanism ensures a perfect fit and smooth operation. They also come with a pre-welded mirror mounting box for factory side mirrors. The package is backed by a 5-year warranty, ensuring reliability and customer satisfaction. Finally, our top-rated product, the Hooke Road Tube Half Doors, designed for 2018-2025 Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited 4-door models. These doors enhance the look of your Jeep while expanding visibility and space. Constructed from durable 14-gauge steel plates and 1.25-inch thick steel tubing, they offer excellent corrosion resistance thanks to the black powder coat finish and premium e-coating. Equipped with secure latches, rubber pads to reduce vibrations, and nylon limiting straps to prevent overextension, these doors ensure a sturdy and reliable fit. The package includes both front and rear doors, and installation is hassle-free with no drilling required. Each of these tube doors has unique features, making them excellent choices for Jeep enthusiasts. If you're looking for lightweight construction, the ARIES doors stand out. For added storage, JROAD is a great option. If durability is a priority, Tyger Auto and Hooke Road offer heavy-duty designs. Be sure to check the video description for links to each product, including options for other Jeep Wrangler models. If you found this review helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Jeep upgrades and accessories.